AI will replace millions of jobs. That's a headline we've all seen. And it's meant to be scary, but this video isn't about fear. It's about opportunity. Every major shift in history, from the Industrial Revolution to the Internet age, punished people who ignored it, but it massively rewarded those who saw the change coming and adapted early. Today, we're in another one of those shifts. So, let's talk about how you can position yourself to win. First, let's get one thing straight. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces tasks. Think about your job right now. It's not one single thing. It's a collection of dozens, maybe hundreds, of different tasks. You write emails, you analyze data, you talk to clients, you solve problems. AI is becoming incredibly good at some of these tasks, especially the repetitive and predictable ones. For example, an accountant used to spend hours manually entering data into ledgers. Now, software does that instantly. But does that mean we have no accountants? No. It means accountants can now spend their time on higher value tasks, like financial strategy and advising clients. They are more valuable than ever because they can focus on the parts of the job that require human judgment and creativity. AI is a tool, a very powerful one, that automates the boring parts so you can focus on the brilliant parts. This isn't a new story. We've seen this pattern before. When the computer was invented, people panicked. The New York Times ran articles with headlines like, "The thinking machine that will create a new and troubled leisure." Experts worried that automation would lead to mass unemployment. They said there will be no jobs left. But they were wrong. Of course, some jobs declined. The number of telephone operators and typists plummeted. But think of all the new roles that appeared out of nowhere. Web developer, social media manager, data scientist, content creator. These jobs didn't exist 50 years ago. The economy didn't shrink. It transformed. Productivity exploded. New industries were born, and our overall quality of life improved. The same thing is happening now with AI. We can't even imagine some of the job titles that will exist 10 years from now, but they will be created by this shift. Right now, as this change happens, 3 groups are forming. Group 1 is the ignores. These are the people with their heads in the sand. They say AI is just a fad or it won't affect my industry. They're making a huge mistake, because by the time they realize it's real, they will be left behind. Then there's Group 2, the fearful. These people see the change coming, but they are paralyzed by anxiety. They spend their time worrying about robots taking their jobs instead of taking action. Fear is a natural reaction, but it's not a strategy. The third group is the adopters. These are the people who are curious. They're asking, how can I use this? They're the ones learning how to use AI tools to become better, faster, and more efficient at their jobs. They aren't waiting to be replaced, they're making themselves irreplaceable. This is the group you want to be in. So, what's the survival strategy? It's simple: become an adopter. Start small. Pick one AI tool and learn how to use it. If you're a writer, try using an AI assistant to brainstorm ideas, or check your grammar. If you're a programmer, use an AI copilot to write boilerplate code. If you're a marketer, use AI to analyze campaign data. The goal isn't to become an AI expert overnight, it's to start building a new skill set. Focus on what humans do best: creativity, critical thinking, strategy, and emotional intelligence. Let AI handle the repetitive tasks, so you can double down on your unique human strengths. The future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to people who know how to use AI. So, start learning today. Don't ignore it. Don't fear it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content on how to navigate the future of work. Check out some of the links below to get started in honing your AI skills. And thank you for watching.